Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to take part in the annual general meeting of your company today. As you are very well aware, this is the 35th annual general meeting of the company. You will probably remember that at the last meeting we drew your special attention to a very substantial increase in the volume of the business done by the company during the last 2 years. We are therefore pleased to tell you that the business continues to show satisfactory progress even in these difficult times. We are able to report still further increases both as regards the value of the goods sold and the amount of net profit earned by the company. It is true that many customers are not spending as much money on their dresses as they did a few years ago. They are finding that our articles are low priced and that they are sufficient for their immediate requirements. Here I may say that the development of our inexpensive dress materials has been very remarkable, and we have every hope that it will continue to grow in the years to come. Another feature of the business is the increased trade in our new branch, which deals with men's and boys' clothing only. We have established a steadily increasing business in this branch, and we propose to start one or two more branches soon. You will thus see that notwithstanding the competition in this trade, we are at any rate doing a good business of our own, and we think we shall be able to cope with the future competition from any quarter at least as effectively as in the past. A very different feeling prevails here since the opening of our new branch. We know that increased trade has come to us. Further expansion is also possible, and we know that we have the capacity to deal with it. I propose now to refer to the printed balance sheet of the company and to explain briefly the variations therein as compared with the previous balance sheet. On the credit side, you will observe that the amount written off is so large and further outlays are so small that the net effect is a reduction. Some improvements in the profits of the company are possible in the current year. In conclusion, I thank the customers and the staff members for their valuable cooperation. Letter from the manager, Balan and Company, Madurai, to Mr. S. Raman, Chennai. Dear Sir, I have looked carefully into the list of repairs to your house as mentioned in your letter of the 30th March. In your opinion, the list is a very extensive one, and I will always be happy to do what I can. Although I am unable to do all the works which you feel to be necessary, I will repair the hall, kitchen, refix the loose tiles in the dining room, and give a new look on the door of the car shed. I sincerely hope that these revised proposals will satisfy you. In anticipation of your approval for these revised proposals, I am sending herewith our estimate for the works. We assure you that these estimates are based on the current rates obtaining in the market. We shall be able to finish the above works to your entire satisfaction within 2 months. Yours faithfully. Stop.